Hi, I'm Nikki Horwood and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at Sharktower. Today I'm going to show you how I manage my marketing plan in Sharktower. Because the platform doesn't force you to use Gantt charts or timelines, I can design my plan however I like. The process is a bit like using a mind map or even the pre-COVID days of drawing a visual plan on a whiteboard. So let me show you what that looks like. You can find the plan or delivery map in the Plan tab in the top menu. In this zoomed out view, you have the familiar plan on a page style. The way I like to structure my plan is by the classic buyer's journey. And if you're like me, you may have tried to do this before and have wasted countless hours updating a visual version of the plan in Visio or PowerPoint for stakeholders. So you can immediately see here that you don't need to in Sharktower. This is a living plan which anchors every task, milestone, outcome and objective. Along the top are the dates, and I have my buyer's journey running down the page, and the stages I'm using are simply awareness, consideration and decision. I can run down through my buyer's journey to see the activities and gaps. At the top of my plan are the typical awareness tactics: PR, blog, the website, and I group each of these into clusters to make it easy to understand. Running down through the journey again, the next tactics are within the consideration phase. So here I have things like campaigns, webinars, events, and finally the decision stage. Within each cluster, you can see activity lines in different colours, and these colours represent work streams. There's a key here in the bottom left to show you which work stream each activity is associated to. For instance, in my plan, I have content, planning, sales, design, and so on. From this point, you can manage activities, tasks, reporting and meetings as you would any project in Sharktower. My projects are quite simple with a lot of recurring business as usual type work. So when I need to manage a complex project within this framework, I set it up in a new project and then I can add it as a cross-project dependency here. Another benefit of using Sharktower's delivery map is neither you nor anyone in the business need to be a project management expert. The map's intuitive structure shows how everything fits together so everyone can see what needs to be done to achieve the desired outcomes. That's everything from me. If you've had enough of manually creating plans like this and this, or if you have any questions, please get in touch with us. Thank you for listening.